yogurt, 6 baby carrots, 2 cherry tomatoes, and a whole wheat cracker. That wasn't a meal. That was it for the whole day.
Eating disorders affect over 24 million Americans. But when it's affecting you or someone you love, getting the right information can be tough.
I remember one time, my mom made me a steak and mashed potatoes. She put it down in front of me and she said, "Why won't you just eat?" She just didn't get it. Nobody did.
It's not hopeless. Sign up for our free online seminars on eating disorders, from anorexia to bulimia and everything in between. You'll get information that can help make a difference.
My parents were getting a divorce. I was fighting a lot with my friends. I just felt so alone. Food was just sort of the one thing I could control.
Every seminar focuses on a different topic, like how eating disorders affect a family and how to stay healthy during recovery. And every seminar is taught by an expert, like Nikki Glantz from Milestones in Recovery. It's the kind of information experts, like Nikki, give to people who come to them for help. And now they're giving it to you.
What finally helped was when I figured out how to talk to my family. I got the help I needed, and my family got the help they needed too.